Hello there, today we are making a delicious dish which is pan-fried salmon with a papaya salsa, salmon fillet, pan-fried till crispy, served with refreshing papaya salsa. Savory meets sweet for a delightful dish. Calories 611, fats 25 grams, saturated fat is 5 grams. For the salsa you will need 1 papaya, peeled and chopped into 1 cm cubes. 1 small red onion, chopped. 1/2 green pepper, deseeded and chopped. 1/2 red pepper, deseeded and chopped. 1 red chili, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons roughly chopped coriander. Juice of 1 lime, plus 1 lime cut into wedges to serve. 4 nests medium egg noodles. 4 boneless, skinless salmon fillets. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons teriyaki sauce. 4 large handfuls mixed salad leaves. To make the salsa, combine the papaya, onion, green and red peppers, chili, coriander and lime juice in a bowl. Soak the egg noodles in warm water for 10 minutes until soft, then drain the noodles. Meanwhile, brush both sides of the salmon fillets with oil, then season. Heat a griddle or frying pan to medium hot and cook the salmon for 3–4 minutes on each side, then remove from the pan. Alternatively, cook the fillets in a hot frying pan and pop the lime wedges next to them, flesh side down, for 2–3 minutes. Drain the noodles and toss with the teriyaki sauce. Pile the salad leaves and noodles onto plates. Top with the salmon, spoon over the salsa and serve with a lemon wedge. Thanks for watching.